Written for 94 years. We give thanks to the few people that are here right now for our devotion. And normally we do the devotion before we really kick off things. So we want to have the devotion start on time, so the show could go on time, and our ending time we could all be in time. So give thanks to the few people that are here for the devotion, and give yourself a big round of applause for being here at this time.
Clean hands and pure hearts, you know, and things might happen. We just gotta be honest to ourselves, virgin and sister. Not just say, God don't bless you already.
I guess I know.
I love to say welcome to my brothers and sisters from far, from Caribbean, from Tobago, Trinidad, and Barbados. Selassie, proud of you. Respect. መልካም በዓል። ይሄ እንግዲህ ዛሬ የምጫወተው የራሴን ሙዚቃ ነው። ለመጀመሪያ ጊዜ በቲቲአይ ድራም ነው የምጫወተው። ሃርት ቢት እንደምትወዱት ተስፋ አደርጋለሁ። I'm telling my people about what His Majesty do in Amharic. I'm gonna play one song for you guys. I hope you like it. This is Rastafari. ንጉስ ነገስ ግርማዊ ቀዳማዊ አፄ ኃይለ ሥላሴ ስዩመ እግዚአብሔር ይህን ታውቃለህ ወይ? ይህን ታውቂያለሽ ወይ? ስለ አባባ ጃንሆይ
Every time, remember who in the Bible that chapter already. Point truth for yourself and guide and pray future action. Run it, my Lord. Yeah. Lord of mercy. Hey. When we look and tell them, say, from way over, Shashamane, Rastafari, Emperor, Hallie. Sing up, Rastafari, Emperor, Hallie.
Rastafari. Yeah.
Let's put it on.
Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. All for one, singing, one for all. Working that way, I know we must succeed. Oh yeah, divide and rule, it's there. All you wanna say are give thanks for the brothers and sisters them who come home. You know, no matter where we are, we can't remember that. Forget that His Majesty said, Africa has to be one. You know, we have to remind those at home and remind those abroad that Africa still have not been one yet. So don't forget, can we pray to His Majesty. Jah Jah look what one. Yeah, brand new till done, yeah? Rastafari.
Garden of Eden in our own yards to sustain, nourish, and provide for our communities to have a bountiful harvest for all. Here are some examples of how we can play our part in the restoration of the garden. By simply saving seeds, roots, and bringing back the bartering system, we'll restore and recreate a bountiful harvest for all. There are so many ways to get involved in our community. However, most of these sustainability projects need further funding and/or donations to be successful. Your generous donation will help us create a lush, self-sustaining food forest that not only nourishes our body, but also nourishes our spirits. By supporting this project, you are investing in a healthier, greener future for everyone. Together, we can cultivate a space that brings people together, teaches valuable skills, and sustain our community for years to come. Join us in this transformative journey. Donate today to help restore the Garden of Eden and make our community self-sustainable. Every contribution, big or small, brings us one step closer to a thriving, sustainable future. Sending love, light, and healing to you on your journey.
The earth is here for us. So we have to utilize the earth to the best of our advantages, not being selfish and greedy, but replenishing the earth, caring for the earth, nurturing our women and youth, giving them what they need, and to be in balance with the earth, to love and to give and receive in a balanced way with each other and with the animals. That's the mission, that's the purpose. If you feel called to be on this wave of sustainability, of betterment of humanity, natural liberty, self-care, self-love, community-based healing, unity in community, homesteading, farming, all the above, please link me. Let's get to it.